So if you have made it all the way to the end of the video, well done and thanks for watching. So things don't always go to plan. Mountains, weather, they've all got something to say about it. And on this occasion, my original plan A was to do a Wainwright called Ulsgath. And I was to approach it from the car park at the bottom end of Thirlmere, a car park called Steel End. Got there, I think there was one car in the car park, but it was a pay and display car park and it was coins only. Didn't have any coins with me. I knew there was another car park down the road, so plan B, drove down to the other car park, and I think that one does take cards. However, that car park was closed off completely. There's some forestry commission logging work going on, so I couldn't get into that one either. Not to be deterred, I come up with a plan C. So I drove up to Keswick and then all the way down Borrowdale, up to a car park at Wainwrights. It's a National Trust car park. And I thought, National Trust of machines that take cards? No, cash only unless you're a member. And unfortunately, I'm not a member. So plan C didn't go to plan. So I drove into Keswick, had a latte and a bit of thinking time. Stopped at the Cornish pasty shop for a bacon and cheese croissant, highly recommended, delicious. Tapped into their Wi-Fi and come up with a plan D. Plan D, a couple of Wainwrights, top left of Bassenthwaite Lake. Fell and Ling Fell. So I parked up at St Margaret's Church and I put the what three words on the screen now. There's probably room for about 10 cars. And a nice steady walk up in the sunshine, around the back of Fell and up to the top. Harebell, Tormentil, heather was in bloom, a very, very pleasant walk. Got to the top and enjoyed the views over towards Skiddaw. And then from the top of Fell, dropped down to Eskin Bridge, steep descent down onto Ling Fell. Followed the Corpse Road around to the back of it and then a steady climb up to the top. Touched the trig point, had my dinner, enjoyed the views over the Solway Firth towards the Galloway Hills, and then the steep descent back down to Eskin Bridge. From Eskin Bridge, basically followed the road back to the car. Very quiet road, I think it's a cycle route. There was one car that passed me and a couple of cyclists. The sign on the road saying red squirrels, didn't see any on this occasion. Not to say they're not there. But in all, a very pleasant walk. Touch over 5 miles, not much ascent, and glorious weather. So car parking issues meant plans A, B and C didn't work. But in a way I'm glad, because plan D was an absolutely stunning walk. So if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. That certainly will help. Just a shout out to all my members. Thank you very much for your continued support. It really is appreciated. And until next time, that's me signing off, and thanks for watching.